Hello everyone, welcome to Invoice Manager from Mainguard Technologies. For today's tutorial, we would like to show you how to register your company as well as your first user. Let's start by registering the company. Firstly, we click on the link that I'm showing to you now. Let us create a fictional company called Flower Friends. Firstly, we enter the company code. Please take note that you have to fill in all the required fields as I'm showing to you now. You will also notice that when you hover over one of the fields, it will provide some additional information which will assist you in filling in the details that we require. The company code is a code that you select yourself and will be used by us to identify your company uniquely. Secondly, we have the company name, email, contact number, you can also enter the website, and lastly the registration key for your users. Please take note that this is a unique key and you will use this key every time that you register a new user. Once you have completed all the fields, you can click on Register Company. You will see that the system will indicate that you have successfully registered the company. Next, we click on New User Registration. As I've mentioned earlier, each user will be linked to the company registration key. Once we have entered the company registration key, it will automatically pick up your company name. You can now proceed to filling in the user that you would like to register. Please take note that you have to use a username and a password that are at least 6 characters long. Now, please select a security question. As you can see, there is a large list of possible questions that you can use, and this will be done to retrieve a password if you have forgotten the password. Now we can enter in our security question and click on Register User. And it's that simple. As soon as you have done this, you will see that the system will indicate that you have now successfully registered your user to use Invoice Manager. Thank you for your time. We truly hope that you enjoy the service and the system. Goodbye.